the Oprah exam is really tough to crack. So, what's your take on it? Like, did you really feel it difficult? Also, regarding the calculation part, Sanya, like many of the students feel calculation is a toughest subject. So, how did you manage
Yeah.
it during your examination? Hello, everyone. This is Srinija from Elite Expertise. So, we have today Sanya with us, who successfully cleared the Oprah exam on her very first attempt. So, we'll be talking to her about her journey, preparation, and experience with us. Hi, Sanya. Congratulations on your Oprah success.
Hello. Hi, Srinija. Thank you very much.
So,
Um,
could you please tell us about yourself, Sanya? Like, what's your qualification, where you're from, and which college did you
oh,
study at?
I'm actually. I'll start from my introduction. I'm Sania Khan. I'm from Hyderabad. I have graduated from Osmania University, BBR Women's College of Pharmacy, Hyderabad. So I've done my family from there, and my husband is in Australia, so I moved to Australia. And I was looking for an license exam and how to get into the pharmacy career here. So I was just looking into it, but I found out there's an Oprah exam. One of my friend recommended Elite Expertise to me. Her name is Tejaswini. So she recommended me. One of her friend cleared by this Elite Expertise. So she just told me that you can have a look. I contacted you, to be specific, if I remember. Yeah, I spoke to you first, Srinija. So,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
so we had a conversation, and then you told me that you can start preparation. I came down here in July. By August, I started preparing for Oprah and I got enrolled. I got myself enrolled. But the very important detail I have to give you here is I was 6 or 7 months pregnant by then.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, I was preparing while being pregnant. Of course, it was difficult. It was very difficult to be precise. So I
No.
sat for November batch, and then I had my delivery 15 or 20 days before giving the exam in November.
Okay.
So it was really difficult. It was really difficult. I was attending classes. I was religiously attending classes. I was not missing any single class. I was, even while being pregnant, and I even attended classes while I was having labor pains. So that's how it was. And after delivery, also, I did not miss any classes. But then it was a very difficult being a new mom and doing
I know.
everything. And I gave my exam in November. Unfortunately, I could not clear it. But then I gave exam in March again. I started preparing after November. I did not clear. I started preparing again in the end of January. I prepared for January, February, and March. I prepared for 3 months. Being with the baby, I wasn't able to attend classes online, live classes to be precise. That what I'm talking about is I was not
Yeah,
able to
yeah.
attend live classes, but then I was following the recorded lectures. To anyone out there trying to clear Oprah exam or is looking forward to come and get it settled down in Australia as a pharmacist, you need to get a dedication for clearing it, and you need right guidance, which I got from
True.
Lydic, Harika ma'am and Arif sir. They both guided us for everything,
True.
each and
That
every. It's
was a.
like, yeah, it was like a spoon feeding for a baby. It was like that. I
Yeah, yeah.
truly owe them for that. I truly owe them for that because they guided in the most beneficial possible way. And yeah, after that also, even sometimes the guidance can go wrong if you don't take it seriously, or if you don't put your much effort. Real thing is you have to work hard. I remember while getting preparing myself the second time, I used to be uh, prepare for around 15 hours, 16 hours a day. So all day long, I was just reading, I was just preparing, I was just doing mocks, I was listening to lectures again and again, just noting important points, looking into handouts, and every possible thing that I could do to, pass the exam. A mentor can guide you, but he cannot take you to the destination. In order to
True,
reach the
true,
destination, you have to work hard. You have to
true.
work.
You There has to
If
be dedication
there's
from
no
your
tool,
side.
yeah. So
Yeah,
dedication
yeah,
is
yeah.
required, and a proper guidance is required for getting successful in anything. What I feel is I got the right dedication. I worked really hard, and then now the results are out, and now have cleared my exam.
That was the toughest journey, but it's very inspiring to Samia. That's really nice.
Yes,
So,
yes.
and also many pharmacists do feel like, the OPRA exam is really tough to crack. So, what's your take on it? Like, did you really feel it difficult? Or,
Yeah, I mean, it's not that difficult. You cannot clear it. Of course, it's tough not to crack, but it's not you cannot do it. Anything like that, you can do it, but you need to have dedication. You need to put in that hours. If you're working, if you're mom, if you're doing anything, just take yourself off for 2 or 3 months and then give it to yourself, and you are definitely going to crack it. There's no ifs and buts about
yeah,
it. You can do it. It's just that you need a little bit of dedication and guidance.
true,
Light
true,
activities
true.
is really good. There were few other, I wouldn't take names. There were few other coachings as well, but I didn't like the way or the pattern they were teaching. I hope you know who I'm talking about. So I really liked the house sir and ma'am. They were, I mean, they were splendid in everything. They used to guide us. It was just like a baby getting fed. It was just like that. I could
True,
not
true.
emphasize much on this, or if I cannot put many words on that, but it was truly, I owe them for life.
I
It
know
was,
many of our students
truly
do
worth
say the
it.
same.
It
Yeah,
was
yeah.
truly worth it. It was truly worth it. Getting in touch with that, getting in touch with ma'am and sir, getting, my clearing exam, all of that journey. I truly over it.
Also, regarding the calculation part, Sanya, like many of the students feel calculation is the toughest subject. So, how did you manage
Yeah.
it during your examination?
Oh, actually, I was very bad in that too. But let me tell you one thing. If there is a calculation, you think yourself as a second class or second grade student, and ma'am is going to explain that calculation 10 times without losing patience, without even getting frustrated. Sometimes I used to get frustrated because there were some colleagues, or I would say my friends, that would not understand few bits, and I was there at some page 2. I was there at that same page too sometimes because I wouldn't understand. I'm very bad at calculations. I wasn't bad. I was not bad in math in my school life or in my intermediate or anything. But then I lost the touch of it. If I can put that in correct words, I just lost the
Yeah.
touch of it, and it was really difficult for me. But then, oh man, if you have her, if you follow her, you will be able to crack calculations as well. It's just that you need to be disciplined. You need to have a dedication. You need to follow them. Lectures, mocks, as much as you can do it, you're going to clear it. There's no two ways about it. You just have to follow the lectures. You have to listen to lectures twice, thrice, or how many times possible. Because once you listen to a lecture, live lecture or recorded lecture, you think, okay, I heard this. I've noted that down. Now that's in my brain. No, my dear friend, you will lose that information. You will have to keep coming back. What I feel is it's about 80-20. You have to make that 80% of the portion that you are preparing as perfect as possible. So you have to revise. You have to keep revising twice, thrice. I don't know how many times if it's possible for you. But then you have to give your true efforts. They
True,
can
true, true,
guide you to the process, but you have to put your part as well.
true, true. So, what are the top three reasons that you will say someone to join Elite Expertise?
Oh, the top three. The biggest reason is Harika ma'am and Harif sir. Okay, because I haven't met some great teachers in my life. They're few, but then they are amazing. They are amazing just because of them, their guidance and the team. Everyone is really, really helpful and they are very kind. Even if you get pissed off on them for some reason, sometimes they will easily, help you and guide you through the process. So there were times I used to get frustrated. Okay, this is I'm not able to do it, but then patiently they handles everything and they patiently answer each and every individual of you and they give you equal importance. So that's how it is. I would highly recommend for any pharmacist out there trying to figure out where do I need to go in order to get settled in my life after graduating from India. If they are planning for Australia, definitely you have to come here and you have to have an course done with Elite Expertise.
Thank
I
you
could
so
not
much for your
emphasize much on that.
thank you so much for your wonderful words, Sanya. So, finally, to finish it off, what would be the tips and tricks that you would like to share with the aspiring pharmacist who wants to work in Australia?
Oh, for anyone who wants to work in Australia, I would highly recommend that you give yourself 3 months of time and you forget that you are having another life as well. You just give 3 months to them. They will shape you in the best possible way. Best possible way. And then you will be able to crack it. You will be able to, you can start a new life. You can get a new life. You'll have something new to, achieve
Start.
or something.
Yes.
Yeah, something new to start it, if I put correctly. So I would highly recommend Elite Expertise because the guidance is the most important thing that any individual will need in order to get succeeded in life. Not many of us are enlightened with that, but if you come here, you will be enlightened with it. Plus your hard work and dedication, you're good to go. Success is
Yes.
just on your way.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much, Sanya, for joining us and sharing your success story with us. It was really inspiring. So I
Yeah.
wish you a great future ahead, Sanya.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.